So you want to change your date of birth for your Apple ID. You may want to do this because you want to get access to features that only people can get when you're 18 years or older. So, if you want to get access to this, you will need to change your date of birth on your Apple ID. In order to do this, it's really simple. Simply boot up your phone and make sure that you go and head over to the settings option or app over on your iPhone device. Just like this. Once you've done that and you're at this main screen right here, just scroll all the way up till you find basically your name. So click on your name and profile picture. Basically just like this. Once you've done that, click on personal information. It will be the first option you will see. Once you're right here, you will find personal information and you will also find your name, your date of birth and some other settings. What you want to do obviously is click on date of birth. What you can now do is set your date of birth to whatever you want. Let's say that I want to set it to 2005 because that's when I'm actually born and I will also be 18 when I select that. Once I've selected that, simply head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on Done, just like this. And then you will immediately notice that your date of birth has now changed. You will not need to type in anything, you will not need to verify this. The only thing you will get is an email from Apple saying that your date of birth has been changed, but that's completely fine. And that's all you need to do in order to change your date of birth for your Apple ID. So, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.